All right there, this is Tiziano Grifoni with mobileapp4biz.com, and we wanted to continue building our app for restaurants. And in the previous video, we have done these four tabs: home, locations, order, and the loyalty tab for the rewards. What I want to do in this video is to do the events, the menu, and then hopefully finish it because everything else is going to be quite quick. So let's continue and do the events. Okay, so all we want to do here is click on the events, and what this tab is for is to actually set up events and any type of events, and so that we can send messages and push notes to our users to let them know about new events, to have them sign up, tell their friends that they're going. So it's a great way to market our business and make it go viral using social media, the social media functions built into the app. And so to do that, what we want to do, we can add a single event or we can add recurring events. Let's say we want to add one or two single events. I'm going to do one here. We want to do the background image. So at this point, we'll leave that for a later video because that's going to be a one video just by itself. So let's add a single event. I'll click on it on add single event, and what we want to do is I went to the website, the garage. I didn't see any events here. So what we want to do, let's make up an event. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's just do that. Let's make up an event and let's go back to our dashboard and see. I'm glad this happened. This is, you see the black here, so we want this to be a white background. We can even this is basically a word editor we can use. This is the functions bold and italic and underline. This we can create links and we can insert photos. It's a nice editor that is built in, but it's got a black background. So in order to correct that, what I want to do, I want to go into appearance. Okay, if that happens, so you want to go to appearance, and in the appearance tab, we want to go to and this, by the way, it's where we are going to load the new background images, and we are going to select the app layout and the appearance of the style of the app, whether we want to the home layout, single rows or multiple rows, and so forth. So what we want to do is go to global style, and you see in the global style, if I go to, let's see, feature background color here under features, it's black. It was pulled in when we scraped the site. So what I want to do is just change it to white. Okay, and white is all the way, number is 6Fs. So I want to change it to white and then save it. And that's all I wanted to do here on this third step. Once I've done this, I'm going back to content. Let's have it load. So I want to go back to content and go back to our events tab. Okay, and we want to add a single event. Here, just a note, this is checked, is auto deactivate. That means that once the event is 2 weeks older, or yeah, 2 weeks older than the end date, it will disappear. So we don't have to worry about that. And so, okay, no, so this is white now because we have corrected this. So let's add an event. The mobile header, just let's add our mobile header that we already have built. So what I want to do is go to select it. Okay, and let me go select it, and it's garage. There you go. Always remember where you have saved the header. Let's do an event date. Let's do, we are approaching Christmas, so or even Thanksgiving. I don't know when Thanksgiving is, but we'll do an event on Friday night, November 28th. Let's see, starting at 6 o'clock, and the event is going to go until, let's see, 2200, 10 o'clock time zone. It's Pacific time because I'm here in San Francisco, and here we'll just an event Thanksgiving. Let's say Thanksgiving. What's going on? I wanted to enter Thanksgiving. Oops. Giving dinner. It's active, and then here we can load an image, or we can write. We can just write come to our Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving dinner to enjoy your evening. Whatever, your evening. And what we can do here, we can place it. Let's see, we can center it, and we can increase the font size we want to. Okay, let's do it nice and big here. Come to our Thanksgiving dinner to enjoy your evening. We can say whatever we really want. It doesn't really matter. And then let's add an image. And to add an image, you can have a couple of options. You can add an image from a URL, or you can add an image. You can load an image from your computer, okay, and saving it to our server, and then load it from your computer. To speed things up, let's go to Google and find the Thanksgiving image. Or let's do yeah, whatever. Thanksgiving 2014. And let's do images. See, find a nice image. I'll show you how easy it is to load it. There you go. I like this. Happy Thanksgiving. So what I want to do here, I can save and copy it, or just copy image URL, and then if I saved it and copied it, then I want to use this insert image to load it, save it in my computer, and then load it from my computer, or I want to use this icon where I actually cut and paste the image URL, and then insert the image. There you go. And then the address is the address of the event. Okay, so the address will be a little garage here, and let's see, contact us. This is Sausalito 85 Liberty. There you go. So that if somebody wants to use the GPS, okay, so she waits so it auto fills, and then we select GPS location lookup, so we don't have to worry about the longitude and latitude, and we click Save Changes, and we have added the event. As simple as this. Okay, and so once we've done that, we want to make sure that the image is cropped correctly, and there you go. That's the header. Okay, and so save image crop. We don't have to save image crop. We don't have to do this step. Just wanted to make sure that, and here we have added the event. We can add more events, and then they can be sorted by date or time, or we can sort it manually. We can click here. We can click and drag the events to sort them the way we want them. And so what I want to do now is go to the menu. The menu here, now if we click on add menu, see, we can actually add it manually here. But I've noticed, and here the same thing, we choose the header, we title the section if you want to, for example, dinner menu, and here we say the name of the menu. We make sure that it's active, and the new design, I'll show you what the difference is between the old design and the new design. The new design is a lot more current and nicer, I think, than the old design. And then here I can add the menu manually. But what I can do, I notice that the restaurant has PDF menus. And so we can load PDF files directly. So see, weekend brunch, lunch menu, dinner menu, and these are all PDFs files with a URL. So if I go and copy the URL of the file, the advantage if I did that is that anytime the the restaurant changes the menus and updates them on the website, I don't have to redo the link because the link is always the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I could do a couple of things. I can actually copy the image here and update the image URL, okay, and say insert, and I should be able to insert it. I don't see it here, but it inserts the PDF file, the file, and here I'll call it lunch menu. There you go, and I make it active, and then I'll save changes. But what I can do also, oh, I need to upload the image. What I can do instead of doing this, which is a lot probably better, I want to show you what we can do. And this, what we need to do here, we need to turn this menu, since that's a PDF file, into a PDF file uploader. So what I want to do is say menu and then change the tab function, which is a PDF tab. Okay, and then all I have to do is save changes. Now I go back to content, click on menu, and now I want to add a PDF. And if I did that, I'll launch menu, which is already there. I can upload a file from my computer or type the URL, and that's the URL. Done. Now what I want to do, let's add another menu. Let's add the dinner menu, same thing. If I click, you don't see it here, but up on the browser I can copy and paste the URL. And now what I want to do is add a new PDF, and here I'll call it dinner menu. Let me do that. Dinner menu. I'll paste the URL that I copied. Done. Now to finish this video, since it's already 13 minutes, I don't want to keep it too long, make it too long. Let's just go and see what we've done. I click on preview, and here again I see two previews, a mobile app preview and a mobile website preview. Let's wait till the previews load. Okay, so let's see right now what we've done so far. So today we've done the events. We have added this event. Okay, and this is the new version where I can actually say I'm going here using Facebook. If I did that, I will let everybody know that I was going. So if I enter my Facebook login data, I will actually let everybody know that I'm going. And well, let's do that. So you'll see, or I can even use Twitter. So I enter my there you go. And so here, that's me. Okay, see it says one going, and if I click here, it won't do that. But if I click there, it'll show who is going. I see they attend. So if everybody going would do that, I would see who's going, which is pretty cool. I can even let my friends know that I'm attending that party. So it becomes really viral for the restaurant, and they may gain new customers by just doing this. And then if I want to go here about, I know where it is. I can go to get directions with the GPS function of the phone, and here I can actually see what's about. We have This is what we have entered and the image we have entered. So it's all here. Okay, and then let's see. And the menus, we have entered the lunch menu, which is the PDF file, and the dinner menu. Okay, and if I want to change the appearance as well, what I want to do, I click on appearance here, and I just wanted to show you this because I think it's really nice to be able to change the appearance of the app. That's kind of an old style with the tabs at the bottom. I want to show you what we have come up with. Instead of the traditional layout, we can use the modern panel slider, okay, which has the tabs here with the photo in the back, or the slider tiles here. I kind of like this because once we will design, or we'll have design the background images, it'll look really nice. So what I do, I save here, and I want to show you the difference. I want to go to preview. Once it's saved, there you go. Let's go to preview now to preview our app. And you will see the mobile website does not change, stays kind of a traditional look for the mobile website, okay, which is okay, which is fine. For the mobile app, though, we will see that the look, see the way it looks now. We'll click here, we'll pull up the menu, okay, and then we click on the menu. We have the locations and so forth. Okay, so let's leave it at this. It's already 17 minutes past, 17 minutes on this video. Let's continue and finish the app functions or tabs in the next video, and then we'll go right into the design of it. Thank you very much for sticking with me for 17 minutes. My name is Tiziano with mobileappforbiz.com. We'll see you later. Thank you.